What's up, traders? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys a brand new strategy for our newest version of Elite Algo version 29. It's going to be very similar to the previous strategies that we showed you guys for the old algorithm, but this time we have even more confirmations that we can add that will absolutely tremendously increase our win rates in the market. So without further ado, let's get into the strategy right now and show you guys everything from A to Z. All right, guys, we are pulled up on our charts right now. As we can see, we're looking at USD JPY on the 1 hour time frame. Now, before I start the strategy, it's very important that you guys understand that this is going to be for every single market and every single time frame. So this strategy is going to work again, every single market available on TradingView, whether you're trading Forex, crypto, stocks, you name it, even if you're trading Bank Nifty or whatever. Next, it also works on every time frame. So from the 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, all the way up to the 4 hour time frame, guys. So this video is a video to cover everything on this specific strategy. Now, this is going to be a trend strategy. So we are only going to be looking for opportunities in a trending market. I'm going to explain also how to do that with this strategy. And it's very, very simple. It just takes a couple confirmations, but let's get into the strategy right now. So the indicator we need on our charts is called Elite Algo version 29. Now, for the settings of Elite Algo, let's go into it and show you guys exactly what I'm using for my settings over here. So over here, to go into the settings, we simply just hover over where it says Elite Algo. We're going to click this settings icon, and then this page is going to pop up. This is the settings page for Elite Algo. So what I'm going to have it on for the strategy is going to be the Pro Scalper mode. That's because I'm showing you guys how to do it on all time frames. If you guys strictly want to trade the 4 hour time frame or the 1 hour time frame, then you can also have it under the normal signal logic. That part becomes preference to you. But if you're looking to trade lower time frame markets, I highly recommend you leave it on the Pro Scalper mode for the signal logic, guys. Next, signal mode, we're going to have it either AI mode or trend plus AI. That again is based on your preference. I like having it on trend plus AI, me personally. Now, if you're using the normal sensitivity, so normal signal logic, then you want to have it around a 15 to 20 sensitivity. If you're using the Pro Scalper version, then you want to have it between 2 and 4. It depends what you like best, what looks best on your chart and the chart that you're looking to trade yourself. So this is very important, and there's no such thing as a best sensitivity or best settings for the strategy. I'm just showing you guys what you can use for a strategy. Then you guys have to determine what works best for you. So next up, guys, under agility, I like having on high or autopilot. It's up to you for what you like best. Again, I'm gonna say this one more time. There's no such thing as the perfect settings. Okay, this is very important for you to understand. I get a lot of questions every single day asking me, Eli, what are your best settings? What's the best settings for trading Forex? What's the best settings for trading stocks? There's no such thing as best. It's your preference and how you like to trade and making the algo work towards your personal trading style. So next, guys, we have candle culling. We're going to turn it on. This is going to help us stay in trades longer by having better looking candles. Very, very simple. We can turn on the market structure if we want. This will help us see if there's potential reversals in the market happening very soon. So we can turn it on or leave it off. It's really up to you. You can use it as an extra confirmation for your trades, but we're not using the market structure reversal signals as actual signals to place our entries. Remember, we're trading with a trend right now. We're not looking to trade reversal signals here. Next, guys, we have the ranging market filter. Now, you can turn this on and play with the settings if you like. I'm going to leave it off for the strategy because I don't want to overcomplicate the strategy and have too many factors going into it, because it's going to have a lot of things that we're going to be looking for. But if you like to turn it on, if you like this setting, what it does is it helps reduce the amount of signals in ranging markets, which will help you with trading with the trend as well, just by doing that. So we're going to have that off for now, but you can turn it on if you like. Next, guys, we want to make sure that we have the Echo Cloud turned on or the Radiant Assistant turned on. So either one of those two will work. Use both, only pick one of those. So whichever you like best, use that for this. So again, just to reiterate, is you can have the Echo Cloud or the Radiant Assistant, but not both. Make sure you pick either or for this strategy, guys. Next, you want to make sure you have the Trend Sniper turned on. This is going to be one of our best and most important confirmations for the strategy. Then we're going to go down right over here and make sure that the dashboard is turned on as well. You can have it any size and at any location. That's really up to you. I just like having it at the bottom right corner because I find that it doesn't take up too much space on the chart and doesn't really go in the way of everything else. Next, guys, you want to go down and we want to turn on the advanced labels and entries. This is for the TP and stop loss labels. So advanced plus entry, turn it on. And you want to set this to either 1 or 2. Setting it to 1 will give you very, very tight stop losses, and setting it to 2 will give you a little bit more room for your stop loss. That's again based on your preference. See what you like best, see what works best for you. So between 1 and 2 for this right here. Next, you want to go down here and make sure that everything else is just like mine. We have everything else turned off, and that's all we need. So then we press OK. Now we have everything we need in order to talk about the strategy that we are going to use for this trading strategy. Okay, so for the strategy, it's very, very simple. So the first thing we want to do on our charts is we want to wait for a brand new buy or sell signal to appear on our charts. Now, for this, either you can sit there and look at your charts all day, or you can go ahead and set an alert, and then the alert will tell you anytime there's a signal on a chart, so you can go ahead and jump on a chart and potentially place a trade. I'll show you guys at the end of the video how you guys can set alerts very, very easily. But for now, let's continue. So we have a brand new buy signal, as we can see on our charts right over here. Next, guys, what we want to do is we want to establish that right now we are currently trading with a trend, right? Now we have three different things that we want to look at right here. The first one being that the echo cloud or the radiant assistance is green. We can see that the echo cloud is currently green, which gives us confirmation number one that we are trading with a trend. And the next thing we want to look at is the trend sniper line, guys. Is the trend sniper line green or is it red? We can see that the trend sniper line is currently green. This gives us our second confirmation right now that we're currently trading with the trend. And then the last confirmation that we want for this is we want the dashboard to be all green. We can see that the dashboard is completely green here, which is telling us that right now, again, we're in a very bullish market. This is exactly what we want here in order to place our trade. Next, guys, we can use the take profit and stop loss levels that the algo recommends. You can pick any one of these as you choose. Pick the one that you think will likely hit best. Now, potentially, you want to look at a couple things here. You want to look at the market volatility, and then you want to look at the market strength. If they are both low, as we see right here, then that could signify that the market does not have that much volume. So maybe set your to take profit either to 1 or 2. Now, this could also change at any second depending on how much money gets pushed into the market. But for now, I'd probably set either 1 or 2 as my take profits. And then we can also use our stop loss 1 or 2 here for our stop loss. So now we have everything that we need for this trade to work out. We understand that we are in a very bullish scenario. We understand that we have a new buy signal. So we can go ahead and take that trade. And as we can see, the price is going to stagnate just a little bit. And then we're going to see the price start to shoot up into our take profits, as we can see right over here, guys. And we hit actually all of them on this trade. And we see that during this time, the market state went from ranging to trending. So this also told us that right now we could have stayed in the trades a little bit longer because we are trending upwards in the chart. So that's pretty much how you take this strategy. It's very simple. Let me show you guys a few more examples. Now, especially show you guys an example on lower time frames because there is an extra little step that you guys have to be aware of if you're trading the 5-minute, 3-minute, or 1-minute time frame using this strategy. So let's go ahead and check it out right here. So let's go to the 5-minute time frame and look for a potential setup. So here's a setup on the 5-minute time frame for USD JPY. Now, again, what we want to do is we want to establish the trend, guys. This is very important. So we see that the market right now has a green echo cloud. We see that we have a green trend sniper line that turned green right over here. And we also see that the market is primarily bullish. We have one 15-minute bearish time frame, but everything else, guys, is bullish around this time. Now, because we are on these smaller time frames, the one step that we need to do, and we have to do this, guys, because we are on a lower time frame, is we just want to simply just go up to the higher time frames, either the 1 hour or the 4-hour time frame, and we just want to make sure that the last candle printed was green. This is very important because we want to ride that momentum of the higher time frame candles. Okay, so now we understand that we had a green candle on the 4-hour time frame. We can go ahead and take this trade, and again, as we see, the price stagnates a little bit, but eventually it's going to go up and start hitting our take profits, and actually hits all 4 take profits right there, guys. It's extremely simple to trade this strategy. Now, let me show you guys a couple scenarios if you're looking to short the market, just so you guys understand very, very well on how to follow this strategy here. All right, so here's an example of us shorting the market right now. Again, we are looking at the 5-minute time frame. This time we're looking at it on GBP USD. And as we can see, guys, establishing here that we have a new strong sell signal. we see that the echo cloud just turned red over here. We see that this trend sniper line also just turned red over here. And we have a very bearish dashboard, as we can see, with all timeframes being red up until it hits the 1 day right over here. Next, guys, again, we're on a small time frame here, so we have to check the higher time frames. So we go to the 4 hour time frame and we see that the latest candle is red, which gives us, okay, this is good enough for us to take this trade based on this strategy, guys. So what we want to do here, very simple again, we simply take our stop loss and take profits, choose the ones that we want to follow, and then hit play. And as we can see, guys, the price is going to go down and smash all four take profits right over here, guys. Very, very, very simple for this strategy to trade with. And it honestly doesn't get much easier than this. Okay, so now that we understand the strategy, let me show you guys exactly how you guys can set alerts for this strategy perfectly with Elite Algo. So right over here, we're gonna go click settings. We're gonna go down to our alert creator right here. We're gonna have to set two different alerts, one for buy signals and one for sell signals. So signal condition, guys, we're gonna pick for this one, any buy signal. So whether it's a strong buy or regular buy, it doesn't matter. Next, guys, for the strategy, we're gonna go greater than 0. So anything 0 or up, it will give us an alert for. We want to make sure that the echo cloud is bullish, and we want to make sure a trend sniper line is bullish. Then we're going to pick our stop loss and our take profits that we want to use for this custom alert. And then we're going to go ahead and press OK. Now, what's going to happen is if you go and create an alert right here, and then under where it says condition, you want to go Elite Algo version 29. And then under it, you want to go custom alert trigger. Then you want to go once per bar close. And then you can go ahead and edit your message or leave whatever you'd like. But what's going to happen now is that it's going to create an alert for you anytime you have a buy signal and that the echo cloud is green and the trend sniper is green. Very simple. And you can also use that to set up trading bots if you like, if you already know how to do that. I will be making a guide on it maybe later this month. But for now, you can understand exactly how to get the alerts on your chart so you don't have to be looking at the chart all day. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button. It's going to help us out tremendously. I have a goal of making over 100 videos this year for Elite Algo and other various strategies. So if there's any strategy you guys would like to know yourselves and want me to make for you guys, go ahead and leave them down in the comments below and I'll potentially make that for you. So other than that, thanks for watching this video. Have yourselves a good day.